The 10K per month AI consulting business. Imagine this. You're sitting at your desk, sipping your morning coffee, when your inbox pings. It's a message from a mid-sized company struggling to integrate AI into their operations. They've heard of the transformative power of AI but don't know where to start. They need guidance, and they're willing to pay handsomely for it. Welcome to the world of AI consulting, a realm where businesses are clamoring for expertise, and you don't need a degree to provide it. In this video, we'll explore how you can position yourself as an AI consultant, find high-paying clients, and scale your business to six figures. Why businesses pay for AI expertise. In today's rapidly evolving digital landscape, businesses are under immense pressure to integrate AI into their operations. However, the complexity and rapid advancement of AI technologies leave many companies overwhelmed. They seek consultants who can demystify AI and provide actionable strategies. The demand for AI consulting firms like BCG, Bain, Deloitte, PwC, and McKinsey are capitalizing on the skyrocketing demand for AI advice as businesses seek to incorporate artificial intelligence into their operations. Consulting firms are generating a significant portion of their revenue from AI-related services, with substantially more of their work now focused on generative AI. Moreover, boutique consulting firms, driven by artificial intelligence and founded by former consultants from traditional firms, are challenging the dominance of industry giants like McKinsey, BCG, and Deloitte. These smaller, specialized firms offer targeted services ranging from pricing strategy and cost reduction to proposal generation and AI integration, often at more competitive prices and with greater operational efficiency. The ROI of AI consulting. Why businesses throw money at you. A regional logistics company is bleeding money. Inefficient routing, long delivery times, frustrated customers. They've read about AI route optimization but don't know the how. So they reach out to an AI consultant. Someone like you. You step in, recommend an off-the-shelf AI tool, integrate it with their dispatch system, and boom. Delivery times drop by 30%, fuel costs plummet, and customer satisfaction skyrockets. AI isn't just a buzzword. It's a cash machine. Companies know AI can work, but most of them are drowning in questions. Which tool is right for us? Will this break our workflow? How long will integration take? What kind of ROI can we expect? They're not looking for another tech explainer. They want clarity and results, and that's exactly what a skilled AI consultant provides. A clear path from chaos to cash flow. The 3-month payback rule. According to Forbes, most businesses hiring AI consultants expect a complete return on investment within 90 days. You get paid handsomely up front, and they want results fast. This is why AI consultants, even freelancers, can charge $5,000 to $25,000 per project. Because when you plug in an AI tool that cuts costs or boosts revenue overnight, that's not an expense. That's a cash multiplier. Let's break down how this ROI plays out in different industries. E-commerce store. Implement AI-driven email marketing via Klaviyo or OmniSend with smart segmentation, 20% increase in abandoned cart recovery, $40,000 per month extra revenue. Law firm. Use GPT-based intake automation to handle client queries 24/7. Reduce support staff load. Save $6,000 per month. Healthcare clinic. Add AI scheduling and patient flow optimization. Increase bookings by 15%, plus $80,000 per year revenue. What they're really buying. They're not just buying tech. They're buying time saved, money recouped, competitive edge simplicity in a complex world. You're not selling AI. You're selling results with AI as your weapon. How to position yourself as an AI consultant. Imagine walking into a room full of business owners, all wrestling with the same thought. AI could help us, but we have no idea where to start. You don't need a PhD. You don't need to be a coder. What you need is positioning. And in this segment, we're going to turn you into the go-to AI authority that businesses trust. Step 1. Find your zone of value. Before you try to consult for everyone, narrow it down. Ask, which industries do I understand? Where is AI adoption still early stage? What problems do I know how to solve? The best niches right now? E-commerce. AI for product descriptions, email campaigns, pricing optimization, and healthcare. AI for patient scheduling, document handling, intake forms. Real estate. AI for lead gen, property description writing, chatbot follow-ups. Law firms. AI for document automation, case summarization, lead handling. Step 2. Build an authority ecosystem. You don't need 10,000 followers. You need proof of competence. Here's how to build trust fast. Case studies. Use AI tools on mock businesses. Write a 2-page case study showing the impact. Example, how ChatGPT helped a local gym increase bookings by 23%. LinkedIn content. Share weekly insights on AI tools and how they solve real business problems. Become visible in front of decision makers. Mini website or one-pager. Include who you are, what you do, industries served, success stories, and CTA. Step 3. Learn the tools that make you money. You don't need to build the tools. You need to know how to wield them. Here's a starter stack for AI consultants. ChatGPT/Claude. Client comms, workflows, automation ideas. Zapier plus AI integrations. Connect apps and automate tasks. Midjourney/DALL-E. Visual assets for branding. Content. Copy.ai/Jasper. Content automation for blogs, ads, emails. Looka/Designs.ai. Brand identity and logo creation. Notion. AI/Airtable plus AI. Dashboards and internal systems. Make.com Integromat. More powerful automations for tech-savvy consultants. Where to find high-paying clients and scale to $10,000 per month. You've positioned yourself as the AI expert. Now it's time to monetize that positioning. Turning conversations into contracts and contracts into compounding monthly income. Where are the clients? You won't find your $5,000 per month clients scrolling TikTok all day. Instead, here's where to look. LinkedIn, the B2B goldmine. Start connecting with founders, marketing directors, operations managers, agency owners, Upwork and freelance sites. While not the long-term strategy, these are great for landing your first 1 to 2 clients, getting reviews, and building case studies. Search for AI automation, ChatGPT integration, Zapier plus AI help, AI content strategy. AI consulting is no longer the future. It's the now, and it's wide open for people just like you, strategists, thinkers, problem solvers. You've just been handed the blueprint. Now go implement it. And if you want more tactical guides on building AI-powered income streams, hit that subscribe button because here at MoneyMatic Masters, we turn automation into income and insight into independence. See you in the next one.